Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to prep an acrylic tumbler. This is a double-walled acrylic tumbler, but I would do the same thing for like a Starbucks cup or a cold cup or any plastic surface. And what you're going to do is you're going to sand with 400 grit sandpaper, just really lightly, so you're just lightly scuffing the outside. You do not want to use anything lower than 400. If you use like 220 or 120 or whatever, you're going to be able to, you're like scratching it too much and it's going to show through your paint. So you really don't want that. 400 is great, and you're literally just lightly scuffing the surface so whatever you're painting onto it has something to hold on to. You're going to wash with soap and water, and then you're going to dry thoroughly using like a coffee filter or a lint-free wipe. And then you are ready for your base coat. So you want to base coat whatever you're working on, and matching your tumbler to your glitter is best. So your options are universal white, black gloss. You could use spray paint. That does need 48 hours to dry, or you could use Brite Tone. And I'm going to show you how to use the Flippin' Awesome paints for this particular cup. So I'm using Totally Teal, and you want to make sure that you shake well. And I always apply with a TAKLON brush. And again, you do want a base coat matching your glitter. If you're doing glitter, you want it to match as best as possible, because then you only need to do one layer of glitter, which cuts down the use of how much product you need over time. So I really like the Flippin' Awesome paints, and I think they go on really nicely. You'll probably need 2 coats. There are sometimes I have gotten away with just one, but 1 to 2 and you should be good to go. So once it's base coated, you can move on to your decoration phase. So whether you're going to add glitter, or you're going to add micas or pigments or swirls or decals or whatever, once it dries for 4 hours, and you can do a second coat if you need to, but if not, you are ready to go, and that's all it takes to prep your acrylic tumbler. So I hope this helps. Please check out some of my other videos for how to decorate. If you have any questions, please comment below. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already, and connect with me on Instagram. Thanks for watching.